The PowMr 10KW Hybrid Solar Inverter, available on Aliexpress, is a versatile and feature-rich device designed for solar energy systems. Here's a breakdown of its key features. The inverter has a power output of 10 kW, providing a substantial amount of energy for various applications. It operates on a 48V DC input and produces a 230V AC output. This makes it suitable for both on-grid and off-grid installations. The dual PV input feature allows the inverter to connect to two separate solar arrays, optimizing solar energy harvesting. Dual AC output means the inverter can provide power to multiple devices simultaneously, making it suitable for various applications, such as RVs, camping, boats, homes, and emergency situations. The inverter supports multiple battery types, including 48V lead-acid, sealed, gel, flooded, and lithium batteries. This flexibility allows users to choose the type of battery that best suits their needs and preferences. The inverter offers 3 charging modes: Solar First (CSO), Solar and Utility (SNU) as default, and only Solar (OSO). These modes allow users to customize the charging strategy based on their preferences and energy availability. The inclusion of RGB lighting provides visual indicators for different working modes. For instance, purple may indicate PV mode, red for battery mode, and blue for utility mode. This feature enhances user awareness and monitoring. The inverter is equipped with a backlit LCD screen, allowing users to easily browse and set parameters at any time. This feature contributes to user-friendly operation and customization. The inverter comes with built-in anti-dust protection, helping to keep dust away and improve product reliability, especially in harsh environmental conditions. 3 cooling fans ensure efficient heat dissipation, contributing to the extended lifespan of the inverter. In summary, the